Okay, today we're talking about what to do when an exit sign fails the monthly test. Okay, so here's a ubiquitous exit sign that needs to be tested once a month. You push this button. However, you can see the backup battery is not keeping the light on. Take a flathead screwdriver and push up on these little tabs on the bottom of the exit sign here, and then lift it up and off the body. We'll take a look at what's going on. So this yellow thing here, that's your battery pack. You can see this one just simply has a disconnected wiring harness connector right here. So I'm just simply going to plug it back into the control board where it belongs. And now let's test it. And now you can see the battery pack does operate the light. So this one will pass the monthly test. Easy fix.
Woo!
Here's another exit sign. We'll push the button on the bottom of this one. You can see the battery is not keeping the sign lit up like it's supposed to. So that's a failure. Let's take the cover off and see what's going on. Same thing, I'll push up on the little tabs with the flathead screwdriver and pop this cover off. On this one, the battery pack is in the lower right-hand corner here. And as you can see, it's plugged in. Nothing looks burnt or damaged. So we're going to go ahead and replace this battery pack. Here's a new one. It's a different shape, but it's also a rechargeable NiCad battery pack. Same rating as the old one, just a different shape. You can see it has a different connector. So I'm going to unplug the old battery pack and we'll remove it from the exit sign. Carefully, you don't want to damage that ribbon wire. Now, sometimes you could have a bad board that's no longer recharging the battery, but in my experience, most of the time it's just a dead battery pack. However, you can see this new one doesn't fit in the same spot. So I'm going to find a place for it. Yep, we'll put it right there. And you can see there's a little slot here on the side for the wires to come through to connect to the board. I wanted to show you on the shrink wrap. There's the specs on the old battery pack. If you look, it's just 4 rechargeable batteries that are connected together. You can see there's one wire connected to the positive and one wire connected to the negative. In this case, the red is our positive, the yellow is a negative. That's important because we're going to connect this old wiring harness here to this new battery pack. And polarity is important. You need to get it right. So here's what it looks like finished. You can see I connected the 2 red positive wires together and the yellow and black negative wires together with wire nuts. So we'll get it installed. It's plugged in now to the board. Let's test it and see if it works. And the exit sign stays lit, so this battery pack solved the problem. We'll put the cover back on. This exit sign passed the test now for the monthly test. I hope this information helps you. I'd like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available now on Amazon in ebook and paperback format. It has common facilities documents, signage, tags, reference material, training material, as well as shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. And if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in this video description below. You can access this facilities maintenance website to buy these products. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.